Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 18 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something people collect. And I got this little tiny candles. Some people collect candles. A geometric shape with at least 5 sides. Now, I fell in love with this picture. It's from a children's book, but I'm going with the quilt. There's more than 5 sides in this pattern. My grandmother made a quilt kind of like this. So I'm going to go with this. The next one is something featuring a clock or time related element. I've got this cuckoo clock. Let's see, we've got text in a foreign language. I've got this French. And something with a spine. I've got these kitty cats. And the bonus is a flower. And I'm just going to enhance this picture. And my supervisor's going to help. Look at that sweet face. Isn't she beautiful? I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so what I thought I would do, and I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. So I thought I'd put my clock up there. I thought I would give her the flower over her ear. And I like how the kitty cat just sinks in right there. And I like how this one's just peeping over the edge. I love this picture. It's such a sweet, sweet picture. And I'd put the candles on the table. I do think I'm going to cut just a little bit of a slit very gently because I've glued this down. Just something to kind of tuck. Come on down just a little. Have to go further down this way. Maybe just a tad more. That looks better. This is going to be a very, very fast collage. Took me a while to find. I had some pretty pottery I wanted to do for the collection, but it was too big for my table. But sometimes when you collage, you don't have to have a whole bunch of stuff. But that image, I had to go with it, especially with the quilt. My clock's a little bit crooked. Our glitter glue, it goes down fast. And I had a little puppy dog, but it was way too small in comparison to the kitty cat, so I had to just go with the kitty cats, and that one just tucked right in there well. And I like this one peeping over. Although it's a little bit big, it's a big old kitty cat. We'll say it's one of those coon cats. These babies want to know what's going on with that new addition to the household. And that is all she wrote. I mean, this is a very, very short one. But I have met all my prompts. Oh, no, I have not, because I still got to put down my foreign text. So what I thought I would do is just kind of fold that up, sort of like it's a newspaper laying there. It would be facing her, wouldn't it? Go ahead and give that a little ink. I already inked my other images. I just wanted enough to where they would kind of blend in with the background. But it's going to have it laying like that, like she just laid the paper down. Alright, as I look at this, I think I'm just going to add some shadows just so it doesn't look like it's just pasted on top. Just a little bit, and just to kind of give it where a little bit of dimension maybe. I just think that will help just a little bit. Okay. I think that just brings it out just a tad. I wish I understood the shadows and all of that for like art. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my short video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. That bell really, if you want to see my videos and you want them to come up on your feed, you just about have to click that all or you won't be guaranteed to get my videos. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, tell me what you think. So be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW18 to see what everyone else has done this week. Y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.